Hi guys, I am Rajat from gizmostorm.com and today I'll show you how you can easily unlock your iPhone without losing any data. Actually, there are two scenarios. The first one is for those who have ever synced their iPhone with iTunes. Just launch iTunes, head over to Summary tab and tap on Restore iPhone. iTunes will allow you to backup your iPhone. Tap on Backup and then restore an update. With this approach, you will be able to unlock your iPhone without losing any data. For those who have never synced their iPhone with iTunes, let me tell you, iTunes will not allow you to backup your iPhone. You can easily restore your iPhone, but data recovery is not possible. For this, we need a good data recovery software. I recommend you to go for iMyFone Dback. It is a great software and recover the entire data from your iOS device. Available for both Mac and Windows, you can get it from the link provided in the description. So it's a paid software but worth your every penny in case your data is more important to you. Launch iMyFone Dback. Tap on Recover from iOS device. Tap on Start. As you can see, there are a number of options. You can back up your messages and call logs, third-party IM apps, photos and videos, memos and others. Either you can select all or just select them individually. It is as simple as that. Tap on Next. Allow iMyFone Dback to scan your entire iPhone. Just wait for a few minutes while iMyFone Dback is carrying the scanning process. Scanning process is done and iMyFone Dback has recovered my entire iPhone data. As you can see, there are 251 message threads, message attachments, call history, contacts, WhatsApp chats, WhatsApp attachments, and photos. See guys, it has recovered 1300 photos from my iPhone. It is actually a lifesaver. 31 videos, app photos, notes attachments and all. Safari history. What you can do is guys, just select them one by one or select them all and tap on Recover. Your entire iPhone will be backed up to your Mac or Windows PC. Tap on Recover and select the destination drive. I would like to store them on my desktop. Tap on Open. All those files which were stored on my iPhone is being backed up to my Mac. Depending on the size of your iPhone data, it will not take more than 3 to 5 minutes. So guys, data recovery is done. Actually, I have recovered my iPhone 2 times, on 15th August 2016 and 17th August 2016. Let's see the latest recovery. There are a number of folders. I was more or less interested in my photos, so let's see them. Here are all the photos recovered from my iPhone. There are actually 1300 photos. You might be having more. In case you have never synced your iPhone with iTunes, this is the best way you can recover all your photos data from your iPhone. I can't stress more. We have recovered all the data from iPhone. Now it's time to unlock your iPhone. Just launch iTunes. In the Summary tab, tap on Restore iPhone. For me, there is a backup option because I have synced my iPhone with iTunes. You will not see this pop-up. You will see this pop-up. Tap on Restore and Update, and iTunes will restore your entire iPhone to factory settings. This is how you can unlock your iPhone and recover all the data in case you have never synced your iPhone with iTunes. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe, and in case you have any queries, don't forget to comment down below. I'll reply as soon as possible. Thank you.